with you once again, and I know that you've been looking at my YouTube page and about overclocking CPUs and gluing motherboards together and double heat sinks and all that kind of stuff. I know it's the latest and greatest stuff. Been figuring it all out. Recently just got a double header on my fucking carburetor on my computer, and just lubricated that stuff, and it's just been really overclocking quite well. And I've been using vegetable oil, and yeah, there's been only a couple fires, but it's been good, man. I've been able to play Half-Life really well, and the freaking best textures ever. And dude, Mario Paint is just killer right now. But anyways, Ubuntu is installed on every system, and I'm going to show you how it's done. First, we're going to power on the machine. Okay, this is my HPZZ running OS 10, and the latest greatest leopard, lion, cat, tiger. So we're gonna go over here, look at the screen real quick. What you're gonna do is press F12. Okay. Press F12. I think I might have fucked it up. Okay, we're gonna start over. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off again. And it's off button. Blue means it's on. Press it. You press it just slightly. It turns it on. See? Okay, that's really good. All right, great. So remember, for the screen again, it's Dell. You know, it's a twin processor monitor. It's only the best. F12. Okay. Okay, watch this. You see that? I hit hella buttons hella fast. I spelt my name backwards. Okay, did you get that? I hope you did. Rewind it in slow motion. Okay. Okay, wait. See where it says device right there? What you're going to do is you're going to go underneath device to the left. Hard disk. Press enter. And what you're going to do? Press enter again. And then you wait for it. See it says dot dot dot. See it just turned purple. I swear to God, dude. Ubuntu. Okay, anyways, I'm just going to go to... Watch this. And it came with Windows 8. And watch this. Windows 7. I just go back, keep on going back in time. I go to 95 if I want, but I'm just gonna go to Windows 7. Starting Windows. Dude, it's a Mac HP and it works, dude. I swear to God. Watch, just none of this bullshit, see? Look at that. That's my friend's computer, that's all it does. All in one unit right there, see that? I don't even know where you put the CD in. It's weird. See, like, starting Windows. See? I don't know anything about Windows. I'm a Mac user. But I think that means something, right? Is it frozen? Sounds like the rainbow wheel. Rainbow wheel ain't spinning, so it might mean it's frozen. I'm sorry, guys. Fuck. Computer sounds like he's doing something, though. Frozen over here. Just doing that thing. Let's take a better look. I don't know, can you see the hard drive spinning? Wait. We got like a solid wheel. He's gonna ask for my iOS password. This never happened before. I'm sorry guys, this is fucking up. I was getting Windows 7. Mouse works. Whoa. Immigration Department, US. Fuck. I'm gonna enter free me. So remember, enter free me right here. It's gonna say welcome, and then you got Ubuntu, dude. It's that fucking easy. Wait for it. See, under the W right there. There's an X, and another X, and another X. That means it's unlocked. Okay. If it was an M and a W and an S, it means it's not unlocked. But we unlocked it. Okay. Usually there's not that little white leaf right there too. So, oh shit. Maybe it's running in virtual mode. See what happens. Nothing over here. And this is plugged into straight to the outlet. And straight into the outlet. It's not doing anything. It's just doing that. This one actually have a mouse. It moves. Okay. And maybe if I hit this button. No. Whoa. Some alien menus and shit. I don't know what it's doing. Must be like an OEM lockout. Okay. And wait for it. It's about 2 inches. Okay, what you want to do here now, while you wait for it, is adjust your camera. Right here. Yep, so I adjusted it. What the fuck is wrong with my wall? What the fuck's happening here? Okay. So that means it's installed Ubuntu. It's always on your computer. It always has been. Something I didn't want to tell you. Now let's make some beats. Fuck you guys.